Taking a look at next week, BlockFi is in regulatory crosshairs. And so there's a question of what are they going to do about it? Well, actually, they may go public. What's the word on that, George?
Yeah, so it's kind of interesting. The news cycle says, hey, 3 states are looking at BlockFi and saying, hey, your business interest account, their account that bears interest is actually a security in that state. So you're going to have to either stop onboarding people or figure it out. And as a response to that, instead of doing the proper regulatory stuff that you need to do, they said, okay, we're just going to raise our Series E, and then in 12 to 18 months, we're going to go public. Whether there are things going on in the background, I do not know. We do not know, but that's something actually to look forward to going forward.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. And in the markets, Brad, what are you watching out for?
Well, we're still kind of in this, 8 weeks between $30,000 and $40,000. This is the 9th week, and the signals were looking like, things were coming to a head and we were going to bust out. And sure enough, we've dropped below $30,000, but now we're right back in it. And so that $30,000 is looking pretty solid. If we break below that again, that would probably be pretty negative. But if we go above right now where the 50-day moving average is around $34,000, then some people are saying we can quickly move back up to 40,000 towards the top of that range. So things definitely looking better, than they were a week ago for sure.
Well, and another bullish signal is more institutions are getting involved. We learned that JPMorgan is opening up crypto funds to all wealth investors. And so, George, do you think that'll put pressure on other banks going forward?
Yeah, I actually do. So banking and client services in general is a client-driven business. But it's also a competition-driven business, and we see that a lot I come from investment banking, and a lot of the investment banks, they really change salaries for their employees as their competitors change salaries for their employees. So maybe not an exact replica of what they're going to do in terms of Bitcoin, but if JPMorgan's offering Bitcoin and someone who's a client of Goldman Sachs or XYZ financial wealth manager, they might demand it as well. There might be pressure from that end. I think that more institutions will begin offering it